Hi everyone, it's Lawrence with PID Floors, and today we're here in our flagship showroom in New York City celebrating Cathy Hobbs and her new book, Home Design Recipes. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope everyone has a great night.
Hi there, Cathy Hobbs here, getting ready for a really big party here at PID Floors to celebrate my book, Home Design Recipes. It's going to be a fabulous night of real estate, design, and networking.
Everyone help me welcome Amir Korangy with The Real Deal. He's going to be our scene monitor.
Thank you, Lawrence. Thank you so much.
Well, I'm very honored to be here to introduce her. Cathy, come on in. Let's have it. Let's do a few. We want to open this up salon style. So if you guys have questions, I'm happy to take them. I have some questions for her.
I just want to thank everyone for coming today. And there are so many familiar faces here today. I want to also thank the beautiful family of PID Floors. Thank you so much for hosting me here today. We really appreciate it.